Okay, going to make a little video on how to remove a water pump shaft. Got an oxyacetylene torch, and you want to heat up the end of the balance shaft here, but don't heat up the shaft, the water pump shaft itself. Try to stay off the bearing the best you can. It don't take a lot of heat. Okay, and what I use is a bushing for like a secondary clutch on the end of the jack shaft. 6mm .10 thread with washers. And then just basically that slides over, it pushes against the balance shaft, and then it'll just draw it out. I have the spark plugs out, and I have a piece of string or recoil rope in the cylinder to stop the motor from spinning, so you're not screwing it up too bad. And then you want to just keep drawing it out like this until it stops. When it stops, you've bottomed out the bolt, and if you keep going, you will just bust the end of the shaft off. And they're really, not that difficult to get out. People, a lot of times you can switch over when it comes out real easy and just use, pneumatic gun or electric or... Okay, now see, it stopped. So you want to back it off. Okay, see, I've drawn it out that far. So now what I do is I get a shorter bolt compared to the longer bolt that I had. Slide that on the shaft. Put the washers back on it. And then tighten it up until it bottoms out again. Okay, so now you stop. And basically you just keep repeating it until you get it out. Yeah, see, it's flush with that, so now I need to so now I'll put that on it. And there you have it. It's not really as hard as people think it is.